Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to insert page numbers. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up the Word document you want to do this in. Page numbers are really useful as it makes it easier to go and differentiate between the different pages in your document. Perhaps you to go and talk about it with some. So to go and get started, you need to head to the top left of the Word and you can go and click on Insert like so. Now what you need to do is come over to the right into the header and footer and you should see the option for the page. Click here. You can go and choose where you want them to be, top of the page or the bottom of the page, and then where at that point. For example, in this case, I want them in the bottom right, so I'll click there, then going to be added. So now you can see them. You can press close head and footer and you can go and customize them more by pressing insert. Coming over to the right and clicking on page number, you can click on format, and what you can then do is go and change the format from 123 to ABC or Roman numerals as well. It's that simple.